A very good morning, thanks for clicking on to the Friday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. A bit of a tale of two halves really across the British Isles over the next several days. As I've said now for the past, really for the past week now, high pressure building once again over the north of Europe, and that will encompass Scotland as well, while we've got lows coming in from the south, which is going to dampen things across England and Wales. So today we've got the first system coming in, bringing wet and windy conditions across the majority of England and Wales. And further north we've got the clear skies at the moment, but of course as that incoming solar radiation stirs up the atmosphere in typical late April style, we're going to be seeing some pretty heavy thundery showers developing over the mainland through the course of this afternoon. And then of course once the daytime heating kind of will lose that, we'll start to see things cooling down once again as well, so we could see patchy frost away from towns and cities through the course of tonight, tomorrow night, and probably the following night as well. So that area of low pressure, as you can see here, starts to fill by tomorrow morning, and then it's a bit of a drier picture through the course of tomorrow and indeed Sunday as well. More in the way of sunshine for England and Wales, and again we're going to see that the classic April showers developing through the course of the afternoon hours, in particular during the day on Saturday and indeed during the day on Sunday as well. And then of course we'll lose the dynamics during the overnight period here, so it stays fairly chilly. Then as we go into early next week, we've got a very deep area of low pressure, unusually deep for the time of the year, spreading wind and rain into the southeastern half of the British Isles here, and we're going to have a very keen and chilly easterly wind as well with that. So it's going to be an unusually cool day during the course of Monday. I think we could be seeing temperatures stuck in, potentially in mid-single figures during the afternoon. And like the system that we've got moving in today, we'll start to see that system starting to fill a wee bit. And then we've got the replacement of high pressure. Interesting to see actually in Suffolk we've got some snow seen in the moles here. So that would be an interesting one, especially for the 1st of May, wouldn't it? Excuse me. And then we've got that area of high pressure, and then we've got a frontal system that moves in according to the model at the moment from the west during the course of the middle half of next week. So it's going to be a bit of a kind of up and down type of weekend for sure, with areas of low pressure but also high pressure dominating across Scotland, the north of England and Northern Ireland during the course of much of this weekend here. So depending on where you are, hope you have a great one, and have the jackets handy in the south, and further north it might actually be the ice scraper that you need in the mornings. Have a good one. Bye bye.